Hello guys, welcome back. This is Rahim today with another informational video. Today in this video we are going to see about latest Flipkart SmartPack offer which is introduced recently. This pack gives you a 100% money back offer. Isn't it cool? Let's see how we get it. Basically this is a plan introduced by Flipkart. Let's see, if you are buying a smartphone that falls under this SmartPack offer, Flipkart gives you 12 months or 18 months of time, and later when you return it back to Flipkart, you get 100% money back. The most important and cool thing about this is money is returned back to you in your bank accounts, not in the form of any vouchers or schemes. I must say, if you are doing a shopping from Flipkart with SmartPack option, you will have a altogether different experience than before, as it's giving you a lot of exciting subscriptions with this. Now let's see the step-by-step process how the Flipkart Smart Pack actually works. Select the phone you want to buy from the Flipkart, then you can choose a Smart Pack duration which is 18 or 12 months. Pay the full amount of phone which you can pay as per your convenience via card, cash and EMI as well. Pay for the Smart Pack monthly subscription. Once you pay this, it is done. Return the phone back to Flipkart depending on the phone plan duration and get the money back in your bank account. The really great thing here is you can return the phone back in any condition if your phone is turning on and capable of displaying IMEI number. Like body can be damaged or screen can be damaged, but Flipkart will take it back. Basically this is how the Flipkart Smart Pack works. But let me give you an example by showing a demo. If you're seeing my screen, you can see that option get 100% money back on the smartphone on your choice. So let's click on avail now. So we can see the list of options we have here. Like I said, we can see enjoy the best of multiple service with the Flipkart Smart Pack. So we have multiple services like Hotstar, Disney, Sony Live, Z5 and Zomato Pro and many more. Let's take an example of Moto Gene and Power. So we can just see Smart Pack. So what are the options we have? We have gold that gives 100% money back. We need to pay 1029 rupees for this. We have a silver that gives you 80% money back. So let's pick up the gold one. So we can get 13 premium services that includes complete mobile protection, Disney Plus, Hotstar. And the total you need to pay is 1529 per month for 12 months. Continue. Yeah, these are the important things you need to check before you proceed. So it gives a breakup of everything that we are going to get from this. I agree. Confirm plan. Your total amount payable is 13,528 we can see, and we can buy now. Few important points that we need to know. Firstly, Smart Pack is available only on phone apps and not on desktop websites. You need to have the phone box and charger to get the money back while returning. Overall, I think the Smart Pack is a very good deal where you end up paying for subscriptions and get the money back for your phone. Well, that's it for now guys. If you like this video, do like and share. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe. Thank you.